In this video, you will see how to delete a row in Word with the keyboard shortcut. It's very easy. To delete a row with the keyboard shortcut, first you need to select the entire row using a mouse or a keyboard. And then on your keyboard, press backspace button and you will see this delete cell option. You just have to click on this OK button to delete the entire row from the Word document. If this method doesn't work for you, you can select the entire row. You will see here the table layout tab. Under the table layout tab, go to the delete option. And here too, there is an option to delete the row. So just click on the delete rows and the row will be deleted. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.